Improving ROI in learning seems like this dragon we've been chasing for decades. And there's a couple of reasons. One, we want to be able to say, look what we did, business, we add value. And the second reason is the business is like, what are you doing? So it's like we're having this conversation of, we did this, look, and they're like, prove it. I say that kind of snarkily, but the truth is we don't make any money for the organization. We spend the money. So it makes sense that they would want to know what's the value here. So when it comes to ROI, there are things we can do. We can survey our participants and say, did you like it? Did you learn anything? Hey, when you started this, what was your level on a skill versus where you are now? And that helps, right? Like we can show that change in skill level that equals value to the business. But there's also a lot of value in collecting a narrative account of how this has changed you and the work that you do. I think sometimes we look at that opportunity to get that narrative from people and it looks like it's dressed in overalls and it looks like work, because it is. Because we have to have conversations and we have to capture information. We have to encourage folks to be willing to go on video and give testimony or be recorded. And that takes time and energy. We assume we won't find people who are willing to do that, when actually, if we just give it a try, we'd probably find a lot more than we could. So a lot of times ROI, it feels like work, and we internalize the request from the business to prove value as them saying you're not valuable. That's not true at all. They're asking sales, they're asking commercial, all the other departments to show up and show the value with their numbers. It's the same thing for us. A lot of times we take it personally when really it's just part of being in the business, is we have to show that. We have to be willing to look at both quantitative and qualitative data in order to get that ROI.